Now let's talk about the starting system. The starting system consists of a battery, starter motor, starter solenoid, starter relay, ignition switch, and the connecting wires and cables. When you turn the key or press the ignition button, it activates the starter motor. The starter's job is to crank the engine until it starts. If the starter is not working properly, you won't be able to start your vehicle. Regular maintenance is vital to ensure the starting system's reliable performance. Inspect the starter to ensure the connections are clean and tight, and verify proper functioning of the starter.